end up on themeforest.net. You want to sign in. MT hosting. And then the easiest way to get to what you need to do for the Avada is to downloads. And just click on the first one you see, the Avada. And then you want to buy a license, new license. We don't need the extended support. And then pick the credit card from Tom, and you're going to pay for that. Then payment's complete. Now you can go back to downloads. And the first one you see is the latest one you just purchased. So what you need to do then is download the installable WordPress files only. So we'll just do that. And then also download the text file here, because you're going to need the purchase code. Then you can open up the purchase code, and then you want to copy. So we're going to go to WordPress to install that. We're going to install that in 5-star. So we've got a new 5-star admin set up. So we're just going to open that into a new tab. And then we'll go to themes in WordPress. And I like to get rid of these, so I'm going to get rid of some of these because you don't need to have all of these in there. So just delete all those. And we're going to add new, upload the theme we just downloaded. Activate theme. Okay, so that's all there is to it. Now you had the register your website, and you want to just go ahead and paste that purchase code in, register now, and you're done. That is pretty much it in a nutshell. Oh, one more thing. So we can go back to data options. Plugins right here. Plugins. We have to activate these two: the core, and then also the builder. And those two are required. And then if there's any patches, go ahead and patch them. And settings. And that's it.